Walking after a meal is not something most people think about doing, and this is because most times after you have breakfast or lunch, you get back to being busy with your daily activities. But what happens after dinner? For most people it involves sitting still to wind down for the day. But did you know that research has shown that doing something as simple as taking a walk after your dinner can change your entire life for the better? This is because of the benefits that are associated with it, and in this video, we discuss the incredible benefits of walking after a meal and why a 15-minute walk seems to be what makes the magic happen. Number 1. It helps to improve digestion. When you eat food, your body begins a process of breaking down the food and absorbing its nutrients such as carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, electrolytes, and water. Walking after a meal helps to stimulate the digestive system and aid the passage of food, thus speeding up the breakdown process of food. And this is great because having poor digestive health can lead to a lot of uncomfortable symptoms such as abdominal pain, bloating, indigestion, and more. Number 2. It helps with blood sugar regulation. We can all agree that walking at any time of the day is great. However, taking a short walk within 60 to 90 minutes of eating can greatly help to reduce blood sugar spikes. And this is significant because blood sugar levels tend to peak after meals, especially if the food contains a lot of carbohydrates. Studies show that taking a 15-minute walk shortly after a meal can help to lower blood sugar levels and thus minimize the risk of developing complications such as insulin insensitivity or metabolic conditions such as type 2 diabetes. Number 3. It helps your mental health. When you walk, it helps to lower stress hormones which include cortisol and adrenaline, and increases feel-good hormones including endorphins, which act as a natural painkiller. Endorphins help to boost your mood, decrease discomfort, induce feelings of relaxation, and reduce stress. Walking after dinner also helps to release serotonin, which is a neurotransmitter that helps increase positive feelings, improves learning and memory, helps regulate appetite, and promotes good sleep. Speaking of sleep, the number 4 benefit of walking after dinner is that it can help promote better sleep. It is a pretty well-known fact that exercise of any kind can help to relieve symptoms of insomnia, and walking is no different. It is also beneficial for people who do not suffer from insomnia because getting in some moderate amount of aerobic activity helps to increase the amount of deep sleep you get at night and helps to promote a faster sleep. Number 5. It helps to boost blood flow. More blood is pumped throughout your body when you're walking. This means that walking helps with better blood flow to your limbs and organs. Also, having better circulation will result in a healthier vascular system which will help transport necessary nutrients to the bones, muscles, and organs to work more efficiently. Number 6. It helps regulate blood pressure. Performing exercise has always been associated with heart health, and research suggests that taking 10-minute walks up to 3 times throughout the day can help to reduce blood pressure levels. These 10-minute walks have been shown to be more effective at lowering blood pressure than going on one long continuous walk session. It has also been found that walking consistently can help to reduce systolic blood pressure by as much as 13%. Number 7. It can help promote weight loss. If weight loss is one of the benefits you hope to gain from walking after dinner, then you're in luck. This is because for weight loss to happen, you have to be in a calorie deficit, which means burning more calories than you consume. Consistent walking after meals can be beneficial in achieving a calorie deficit, which will in turn help with weight loss. If you got value from this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos.